Hi guys, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss recursion. Recursion is nothing but calling the function itself. That means it will call the same function number of times. Okay. By using factorial of a number, we can explain this. Let's see how it works. First of all, write program for write a program to print factorial of a number. Okay. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is factorial. Factorial is nothing but a 5. For example, if you take 5 factorial, then how it could be write it as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then value is equal to 120. Okay. For example, if we want to find the n factorial, then value equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into like that and so on up to 1 factorial. That means up to 1 factorial we need to find the value. Okay, this is the way of finding the factorial. Here one main thing you need to remember is 0 factorial is not 0. 0 factorial value is 1. Okay, 0 factorial value is 1. Okay, this is the main thing you need to know. Next we'll see the code how to write. For if you want to define function, you need to use def keyword. Def is the keyword used to define function. After that, fact of 9. That means this is the function name. 9 is the argument here. Then colon. In recursion, we have mainly two parts. First one is base condition. Here you can write all the base condition. And another one is logic part. Here you write the main logic. Okay. First one is base part and another one is the condition part. Okay. In base part you need to write all the base conditions. Okay, in condition part you need to write the condition. What is the main condition of factorial is n into fact of n minus 1. Okay, this is the logical part, main logical part. That means if you want to find the 5 factorial, 5 into fact of 5 minus 1 means fact of 4. That means again it will comes 5 into 4 into like that it will loops. Okay, this is the main logical part here. And condition parts are if n equal to, first see if n less than 0, n less than 0, n less than 0, then what it will become, it should returns nothing. Okay, if n equal to 0, it should return 1. Okay, sorry, return 1, not n minus 1, 1. If n equal to 0, return 1. If n equal to 1 also, it should return 1. That means 1 factor also 1, right? So it should also return 1. And we need to write logical part, that is else return n into fact of n minus 1. And finally, you need to print fact of, and you need to pass some value here. I have passed 4, right? That means if it is 4, right, 4 will goes to here. It will checks 4 less than 0, no. 4 equal to 0, no. 4 equal to 1, no. Then it will come to return part 4 into fact of 3. Then will again fact of 3 will execute. After that, this will not execute. Then return of 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. Fact of 2, this will not execute. 5 into 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. After that, it will become fact of 1. Fact of 1, right, return 1. Then it will print the all. Let's see. Some error I have found in 14th line, indentation error. Okay, right. I need now see 24, right? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And how much? For 3 at 12, 12 to 24, 24 into 1, 24, right? So 24 is the value which we got. Okay, this is the way you need to perform recursion. Now I will pass 0. Let's see what will happen. 0, right? If n equal to 0, return 1. So 1 is return. Okay, now I will pass some negative values. Minus 2 I have passed. If it is minus, it should return nothing, right? Let's see. So none, that means nothing is returned. This is the factorial or recursion. How recursion performs here is, that means same function, that means fact of n function has been executing by using the same calling function. That means fact of 1 is the function has been called number of times this fact of n. Okay, this is the recursion. That means calling the function number of times. That means calling function itself. That means fact of n, and this calling function is fact of minus 2. The same function has been calling number of times. That means it's calling the same function, right? Same function has been calling. Okay, this is all about recursion. Thank you.